So we are at this restaurant called as Zyka, and we were supposed to take Shruti with us, but Shruti, sorry, तेरे को नहीं लेके आए हम लोग.
अभी फिर से नहीं आएगी नहीं आएगी
And we
तो
have
तेरे लिए अब तू देखो मेन्यू कार्ड कैसा है खत्म बाय
and we have our chief guest here.
आई एम नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग सॉरी
झूठ बोल रही है वो, but हम लोग अभी देखते हैं. We'll try the things and we'll let you all know. So there are.
have a timeline of the story either.
We have a little Damartka story that Rachel will continue.
Okay. This is my first ever time.
जोर से बोल.
This is my first ever time in English Wala. That is how my first English sketch went by. Which was funny, obviously. And then we ended up with fries and which was actually pretty good as well. I would say. Cold coffee was
ऐड करना है किसको? शैलजा देखो. शैलजा को शर्म आ
I
रहा है.
ordered something. I am so guilty and I'm eating.
सच में दिल चल रहा
She is going on a guilt trip right now.
मैंने तुझे बोला ना वहाँ पे बैठ के. I need to
I'm
try.
missing my roommate. I'm missing my roommate
है
very
ज़्यादा
much. No, I'm missing.
कुछ नहीं यार, श्रुति
कुछ भी.
वो मजे कर रही है. तेरे जाने से ना वो इतना खुश है ना, वो रूम के बाहर ही नहीं आई है, या फिर इतना सदमे में.
आज सुबह उठ के I saw a new light in Shakti's face.
Yes.
Meaning तू है उसका
अभी तो समझ जा क्या है वो. लाइट नहीं है भाई. सो करंटली इट इज़ लाइक 9:30 रात का, एंड the street lights are not working. Yeah, the street lights are not working. There's no street lights even. So it's safe. Like the whole neighborhood is like, क्या बोलते हैं वो, सब बंगलो types है, तो it's pretty safe.
तुझे जज कर रही है.
Yeah, some uncle are judging me. Never mind. Okay. So if you guys wanna walk, go for a walk.
Go for a run, honestly.
Or
It's pretty
a run,
nice.
yes.
It's pretty nice.
We
I
can
see.
do that.
You know, everything like ends here like around 9,
Yes.
8:39.
Everything shuts
ends.
down.
But like I
Not
see
even
the
9,
aunties-
before that, like by 8:30.
7.
7 even,
7
yes.
even.
So like
the pharmacy is shutting at 7.
pharmacy is
Why
shut
would they
by
shut
like
down at 7?
7:30.
So weird.
Yeah,
Very weird.
very weird.
But there are aunties going for walks
Yeah,
in
yeah,
this neighborhood.
In this Kalok,
In this
there is like, so
society.
this is like
There's
a
cricket party
lane.
happening at 10.
Yeah. This is like a lane of houses, but there's no lights here.
Yeah, but
Like
people are still
legit,
there.
there's
Like,
no lights.
kids are there in
Yeah.
cycles at 8:30.
Yeah.
Weird, very weird.
And
Which I
there's
love.
no not much, क्या बोलते हैं वो, cars going around इधर ये वाले area में. So
It's honestly nice. I would say.
it's a nice place to go for a walk.
It's a nice place to go for a walk.
We had butter garlic chicken, and the other one was chicken patiala. Sure. I accidentally served more to her. Okay. Guji gang. I don't know if you can see that.
All of them are Maharashtrians, pure Maharashtrian. Chapati khate idhar ka doggies.
They feed milk and chapatis to their bell. Oh, damn. That is so cool.
That's actually pretty cool.
There was this car that just went by with 2 angry red LED lights on the, क्या बोलते हैं वो, गाड़ी का कांच, front कांच.
You should show the blinking lights. That's
I mean, they can see it. Yeah. Can you see the road का blinking light over there? It's pretty cool. And it's there on the entirety of the road. This is how the road looks. No lights, but it's pretty safe because there's a lot of ghars here, so it's pretty safe.
Today we show Motu.
Yeah, we are gonna show you Motu.
I call him Motu because he's Motu. He is 4 hands long, wide, 4 hands wide, and then he has the prettiest of siblings, 2 of them, one black and one white, and then there's another brown and white. The brown and white has a little issue with her senses, but the moment she sniffs you, she's just like, yes, you are my cousin. So it gets a little weird, but you'll get a hang of it.
So
It's pretty nice.
the life of small animals in Neeraj is a little sad, I would say, because people here usually get them as a status, kind of like a pride, जैसा. Oh, we have this
The hounds.
Yeah, this place is known for hounds, so you will see all sorts of hounds here. It is very rare to see, pugs and like small breeds, especially. There was
This form. There was one form.
one form, and then there was this Dachshund ka mix. So it was like a indie Dachshund mix.
Actually, there's a lot of Dachshunds though.
Yeah.
Dachshunds.
Dachshunds.
Dachshunds. I recently found out
My
it's
bad.
Dachshunds. It's not
Dachshunds.
Dachshunds. But Dachshunds makes more sense. Dachshunds is such a weird name. Germans
It
are just
sounds-
weird in general.
Yeah,
Germans are
it
weird. We
sounds-
shouldn't trust Germans.
Okay, so this-
Germans in general should, historically speaking, Germans should not be trusted. I don't understand why we're
I don't
still
know if I
talking
can
about the
put
Dachshunds.
this. I don't know if I can put this up.
You think some German person who's gonna come comment, oh, no, Miraj wala
We have a
people
lot
cheat.
of that. Yeah, I mean every animal that they keep is just a symbol of status for them. So
That
most
Indian
of them,
economy though.
we have bullocks coming up in the clinic, which are like 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs ka, and like all of them are like race bullocks, and most of them. So like there was this one bullock that the owners made him run for like 35 kilometers per hour. Madness.
Madness to a point, the doctor who isn't too into animals are like,
Yeah.
ये machine नहीं है. Madness how people are doing over here.
Yeah, and then they feed them chapati and doodh and eggs, raw eggs, to make them, I don't know what, fit
Jad.
or bulky. But then it turns out that they become diabetic. Not really, it's not a condition. That is what he told us. Diabetes,
commonly
like you do
see
not
it.
see, you do not call it diabetes in large animals because they do not have itna functions in the pancreas. Like the pancreas are not that functional. But yeah, so when you feed a lot of carbs, a lot of such things like chapati and all to them, the VFAs are not produced. Is it what it
Okay,
is?
let's not change the channel into something it's not.
Okay.
It's just
We are-
educational.
We are not
Definitely not.
into education.
We are here for the vibes.
Yeah, we are just this channel is just for vibes. We are not gonna teach you anything.
This is a little personal vlog.
It is.
That is just
Yeah.
for funsies.
Yeah.
Look at aunties walking around.
Okay.
Not in that way. Is that Motia? No.
No, that is not Motia.
Motu?
We are gonna search for Motu. Motu is right there. It's someone else's house, and we are like,
Oh, here's the pretty
oh,
dog.
sorry. We are at someone's house. I don't know if we are allowed to.
Hello. Oh, you're a pretty boy. So pretty. Look at him. He's so pretty.
This is Motu.
Yeah.
We don't know his name. We have not given him a name.
Hello, Motia. Hey, Motia.
Motia. Sorry about my flip flops. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Holy. Ooty. I will end. I don't know how. Okay. I'll end my vlog here. We have
We're
this.
gonna follow her around, honestly.
Yeah, we're gonna
See where
follow
she
her.
is there.
We're gonna follow,
And
and
if she
then
jumps
okay,
through the
we
building,
found
we are
out
gonna
that
jump through the building.
we found out that she is a girl, and
None of the others like her.
none of the others like her. Probably they are being colorist like that.
She's
So-
staying here. Now what do we do?
What do we do?
What do we do? Where do we go?
कुठे चालली तू?
Walking around. This is why I told you it's very safe.
But they are only walking in the light wala area. They are not walking in the. It seems like we are kidnapping her. We are not kidnapping the dog. The dog is kidnapping us.
You're quite literally just walking where she goes.
She is following us. We are not doing anything. I don't know.
She knows her route. She's more residential than us
yes.
anyway. She doesn't know.
Oh damn. Or do you want to see the moon? It's not a full moon, but it's almost full moon. Oh, she's still there. Never mind, she has gone for a pee. A little sniff.
No, I told you it's a male.
Never mind, we misgendered him again.
I knew it was a
He's a
male.
guy.
Everyone hated her
He's
because
a
of
boy.
that.
Marisa, son. He's not gonna leave us. We'll see how far he comes with us. I feel like this is the new area that he's explored, and he's peeing her jagah pe. So let's see kitna far he's gonna come with us. So he left us like a minute back, and
Typical men behavior, isn't it?
we are in a petrol pump, which is not sort of abandoned. We are just in the petrol pump. because there's no trash can here.
I made eye contact with the main food, but I was walking. And I was
And the petrol pump is bund, by the way, and it's only 10 here, and the petrol pump is bund.
so people are walking around him. എന്നിട്ട് ഞങ്ങളോട് പറയാ നിങ്ങൾക്കാണ് ഈ മൃഗങ്ങളെ ഒന്നും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുന്നില്ല അതാണ് ഇതാണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കും എന്തോ ചുമ്മാ
ഒന്നുമില്ല. That is the only one that I know.